What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Today I have a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT, and this one looks really good. So if you guys are looking to get your truck lifted, figure out what wheels and tires to go with, you should take a look at what we did to this one. I really like this one. I love how this truck is red. It has a lot of cool accents to it. So we had the blacked out emblems on the side, which our wheels and wheel package is going to really match this truck and really set it off. To start off with the what we added, I'm going to go over the lift kit, which is going to be a 6-inch Rough Country suspension lift kit. This one's going to have a strut spacer. So when you get a lift kit from Rough Country, you have their 3 options. You have your strut spacer, your lifted strut, or you can go with the adjustable coilover with the Vertex shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality. We went with the strut spacer with this one because this one's pretty new. It doesn't have a lot of miles on it, so we don't have to really replace that strut yet because it's not worn out. With the wheel and tire package and this lift kit, we do have to do a little bit of trimming down here on this plastic piece right below the bumper. That allows us to complete a full turn without any rubbing. The tire is going to be a 35 1250 R22 Nitto Ridge Grappler. This is the hybrid tire that Nitto has. It's going to be the best of both worlds between the mud terrain and all-terrain tire. So it's going to give you the aggressive look of a mud terrain tire, but it's also going to give you the great performance of an on-road tire, all-terrain tire with a quiet ride thanks to the more condensed center tread, as well as a longer tread life. If you want to, you can go with the Trail Grappler, which is going to be the mud terrain tires and give you the more aggressive look, bigger knobs, and which are going to be less compact in the center. Or you can go with the all-terrain tire with the Trail Grappler G2, which is going to give you more of the on-road feel and give you a quieter ride. Down here we have a 22x12 Fuel Blitz in the all gloss black. I really love this wheel. This one's going to be the -44 offset. So this concave wheel is going to have a deep dish, so it's going to push that center of the wheel in pretty far and push that wheel and tire package out 4 to 5 inches, giving it a nice wider stance. One of the things I really like about this wheel is how aggressive it kind of looks. You got your rubbers around the outside, and just some of the lines and the spokes kind of just give it like a little bit of that aggressive feel, but overall is a really clean looking wheel that really fits this truck really well. The last thing about this wheel is that it does have your open lug, so you can run spiked lug nuts with this if you want to add that extra flair of aggressiveness to this wheel. This one does come in a couple different finishes. You have your all gloss black, you have your gloss black and milled, as well as the platinum finish. So if you want to change out the finish of this wheel, you do have plenty of options, as well as the sizes it comes in. There's plenty of options as well for that. So if you have any questions about the different sizes it comes in, make sure you check the description for more information. So overall, this is a really good looking truck. I love how this one, the wheels really tie in with the truck itself. So make sure you keep that in mind when you're doing picking out some wheels and tires for your truck, because that will make it really stand out. So if you guys want to get your truck built, we can do that right here at Krietz Customs. We also offer 0% financing for up to 12 months. So if you guys want to have any questions about that, make sure you give us a call. And if you have any other questions, make sure you check the description for more information.